Hello guys! Welcome sa ating Teresa Park Place, located at Tabuyod Pantay, Barangay Dalig, Teresa, Rizal. Boundary po ito ng Antipolo, Rizal. So ito po yung location natin guys ng ating Teresa Park Place, Rizal. As of now po ay under construction pa po itong location na to guys. So ito po yung location kung saan po itatayo ang ating Teresa Park Place, Rizal. So ito po yung sample natin na unit dito sa Teresa Park Place, Rizal. So ayan guys, pasok po tayo dito sa loob. Itong unit natin is bare type po. Meron po siyang floor area na 44 square meters and lot area 36 square meters up to 70 square meters. May free po siyang 1 toilet but with 3 feet po yung height at yung hagdan po natin is solid wood. For second floor, provision for 2 bedrooms and naka-high ceiling na rin po itong ating unit, and then ready na rin po yung ating electric. So yun na guys, pwede na kayong magpa-reserve. Just comment down below and please reserve now. Thank you guys!